In this footage, I'll show how to unbox the evaluation kit, the Ranger and Pioneer evaluation kit. You should get two boxes. One is the evaluation kit, the other one is, if you purchased also the tech, you should get the controller as well. What you need to get in addition to the boxes that we provide will be two power cords that we are not supplying. Each country has their own power cords, main standard, so we're not supplying these cables. And I'll put the tech on the side for a second, and we'll concentrate now on unbox the evaluation kit. Once you open it, inside there is a power supply and a communication USB cable, and we have the board. That's the main Pioneer Ranger board. One side is the socket, the other side is with the tech assembly and the SB-RIO with the heatsink. We are going to connect power and data cable in this way. First we connect the USB cable, it goes to this side. Other side of the cable goes to your PC. Supply, we have a supply socket here that goes on the right side, like this. The other side, we'll take one of the power cords, connect it to the main, and you can see that it starts working. You can see here the LEDs, and these LEDs will go off when you start with tests. The LEDs will go off. Okay, so now the board is power up. We'll now go to the tech. Tech controller is a Arroyo 585 4 amps 8 volt controller. Let's unbox it. Inside the box we have a tech control cable and a communication USB cable, and the controller itself. Let's put the box on the side. Here we have the box. We have two sides to the box that we need. One side we need to connect the tech control cable, D-type, 15 pins. We connect it to this side. The other side goes to the evaluation board. On the left side of the heatsink here, see, we connect it here. That's one side. The other side of the controller, we connect the communication cable. One side here, the other side goes to your PC, and we are taking the power cord and also connect it to the mains, and we power up the controller on this side. That's it. So now we have the board. It powers up. We have the power cord, communication cable, and tech. On the other side, as we said, we have the socket. Open the socket. Inside there's the chip, LCC48 package. Pin number 1 is on the left side here. Close it, and that's it. You're set to go. Let's make a summary. This is how to connect the evaluation kit.